good morning. This is Arnold
When you say I must attend you do, I just wanna get back close again to you. But for now, your voice is still enough. How I miss you and I miss your love. And all the days that pass me by so slow,